Morning. Here's one. It's not going to last long. 2016 Ford 450 Lariat. One owner. Got the bull bar up front. LED bar. Running boards. Heated mirrors. Leather seating. And this is the platinum, so it doesn't get a higher trim level than this. It's got 101,380 miles, which is nothing on this truck. Still has to go through cleanup. Got a hubcap that's going to be back on the wheel itself. And this is a dually. Plenty of tread. Spray and bed liner. It's also got the setup if you wanted to do gooseneck trailer. Non-smoker. This one will clean up very nicely. Phil Cross, Heyward Toyota, Athens, Georgia.